Iko inwe ike ịkọwatala ibele emeka.
Fulani atacha ihe na inwe na village anyị. Everybody will die in hunger.
No, wow.
Everybody, this is rice. From here, Gawa ebe 7 kilometers rice.
And hanchali ne gulago.
Hancha gulago, they level everything. Hi. Nana. The worst part is bite. Rice here mo ko be go mbibie. No, ma kwa ni ma kwa ka mbite. Iba bo rice. Rice emi bulami. Ibe belie ibe bu nama. Fulani. Mi bolo ma ibe line. Oh, Fulani me ibe dote. So, ibe kale. Ogbogodo kaline, ibe line ila vo bo rice. Bibe julie. And onge bon ke fodolo.
Ama jimado. Ibe ki baboji, ani ti baji ebi. Ibe iboli ne doka akobu. Ibe ngukota. Iboli ne dia ibe ngukota. Nwe ni faza dia.
Na rice golago kaline asolia
akokota iboka ko joya life
Ibolo ma cassava. You have rice.
biko ke ba ilo iba nde ka ilo biko nde ka ilo ibe
ka ilo ka mgbe bụ ngere ụlọ ọbịa ego olole eze ka ọgbụ bụ ka na ma lọ mewu duka ive mmeli otie ba ọdagba mmeli otie ba aga mevu otie si meka boto si mekọta ego olo idine
rice niile akọrọ
ego olo idine mi gboro ma ibeli ine ọgụrụ ego olo igbo mgbe
Kai, why you wanna carry this cow come to enter my farm like this?
Hello guys, now welcome back to Local Banga. Now see the thing where they happen for here now. Now we think they happen for inside this country now, for inside people where they farm. Now we think herdsmen, Fulani herdsmen, they do them for inside this thing now, inside their farm now. Now you they watch for here so. You see all this thing, if they no ban all these Fulani herdsmen from entering people farm bar, this thing it will bring issue to this country. Because me I don't know why Fulani herdsmen go see person where we say he farm something, farm rice, they don't farm the rice, you can't carry your cow enter there, make they shop the rice. It no just make sense like that. Some Yoruba, you never think last week where we say Fulani herdsmen and one Yoruba. Fulani herdsmen almost kill one Yoruba to death for your own farmland where we did. That one never finish. Now that same Fulani na them, those same Fulani herdsmen na them enter this Igbo land. For where Igbo people they farm now, they enter there, they shop their rice. Now for this video where you want watch now, you go see where Fulani herdsmen now they drag with in the threat person will be saying get on farmland. So if you know say you get anybody will be saying the farm, make sure say you share this video, make go viral, make them know how they go the package yourself anytime we say they won't go farm. And if not today be the first time we say visit this our channel, I beg now we dey beg you, make sure say you subscribe to our channel, make all the news we be saying they come from here, make it they reach you, make now you be the first person where we say they go they notify anytime when we post anything for here. Just watch the video and see.
Kai, why you wanna carry this cow come to enter my farm like this? Eh? You know, see, okay, see this. You know, say na yam we plant here. Eh? See the leg. Na yam there inside here. Kai haba, zomana. Eh? Okay, this leaf. See. This is a vegetable. Eh? Why you carry the worker here? Hey. You dey craze? Call your brother. Call that your brother. Hey, this you wanna do? How you breathe on an eye? Eh? Look at it. No the leaf. No go go in kulaba. Neji kulaba kefi no na atasi. Eh? Ma this in Calafia. My potato. So you, I dey call you, they run. So you know, be say sorry. Why I know will snap you? Eh? So you know, if you say sorry.
I didn't tell you sorry.
Why you can't carry my?
Why you go snap me now like this?
Eh?
Why they snap
So
me?
you know, if you say sorry.
So I say sorry. Why you go snap me now?
I hear I say you beg. But your brother,
So why you go snap me? I don't like her
now. You
now.
don't know me.
If I don't know you,
You don't know me for that place.
man, you say I beg.
Eh?
No snap me. Why they snap me like this now? I go run for you. I beg no. Take come on, I beg.
Why you don't
Snap
say
me
sorry?
like this, I go.
I know the part. Wait. Why you
How much do I beg? I won't give you the phone. I got cut you like this. Thunder fire you. How much do I beg? I'm not going to give you.
my phone.
I don't give you.
Huh?
I got cut you.
Huh? You can't have this.
Yes, now. Thunder fire your mother.
Give me my phone.
Thunder fire your mother. I'm not going to give you.
No phone.
How much do I beg? What is it happening? The family. Mind yourself, mind yourself. Thunder fire yourself. Me I go pick cut your neck.
Okay, you want?
Thunder fire your mother. What is snapping me now? What is snapping? And you don't know me. Yeah? You don't know me. What is it? Mind yourself, mind yourself.
You say sorry. So you don't go say sorry.
Thunder fire your mother.
So you don't go say sorry for me.
See, one day I go pick kill you for this number. Thunder fire your mother. I don't give you the phone. This is why I go do. Go and do it.
For you.
Me I go pick kill you now.
I know that you
The case? It's a case? What happened in mistake now? Eh? Now my cow jam if you not get it, make a pay. How much is the money for this thing now? Me here? See, if you don't know me, if you because of me, sir, I no go. I go pocket you.
I know that's why I don't want. See.
Thunder fire you.
You say sorry for
If you don't come out there, I go just kill you now. What didn't happen now? Eh? If you not get it, make a better. If you not get it, I go pay the money now. Huh? No be mistake what I do. Everybody no mistake now. Why is snapping me like this now? If you this papa you don't know me. Me I don't like this country. Why is snapping me? I don't know what you had to do. Yeah, brother. Me say I know. You know me. I see my car is spoiling for If you beg and say you no get it, I go pay make a pay say how much I go pay. If you no get it, not be work. Now work. Me say me now my work now. What is snapping me like this? What is the carry picture do? I no go give out. I see the picture first. I could be reporting you for police now.
If you report me for police.
Yes now.
For police.
Now. Why the snap is just like that? Just like that. You come snap me. What you going to use the picture? You don't know what they do? Mind yourself, mind yourself.
If not, I know you.
See him, see the cow. What you going to use the cow?
Are you cow?
With my cow, with you, make you know.
When I bring complaint,
Talk about the
snap and come. Now you go for they snap and come show them where the cow stop.
You go tell me before.
Yeah,
See.
that's not. Are you the
How come what they you don't snap me with my car with my brother now? What is going the picture do?
Where I dey snap.
Yeah, no man.
Your brother come yesterday, your people come yesterday.
Who's your people?
Say, make we snap.
Now only my cow dead there. Now only my cow, but he don't see me. He tell me say make he no agree. My cow don't support your farm. So me and you go talk. Huh? Not be like that.
Okay, what you want me to do?
Why they do snapping me like this now? I don't like her now. You know me very well. If in a night you see me, you know me. Mister, if I see you for night, you go know me now. I know you.
As you know me, and I know you, now you dey halal for me like this.
Why now? Why not the halal for you? Why they snapping me now?
You complain something for me. I help you fight. Then you come here, come to make noise for me. Where I mean, I take you as Duka Diani. So you come here.
Duka don't fire you with the Duka Diani now.
It cost me like this.
Yes, now don't fire your mother with your father. You the crazy? I be the mad. Kutiri to nara ya tawa galla wani me dai wai ifijo wai ga.
No be you.
Rarfa.
Your brother come.
Rarfa. Okay. Rarfa.
Make we.
Mi awa haito mi itinu.
Look at him there.
Look at him there. Look at him there. Look at him there. Look at him there. Look at him there. Calm down. Calm down. Look at him there. You see him, you don't carry cow enter as a person land, chop everything. Follow. Go. Don't shoot again. Don't shoot again, please. Oh God. You know, you leave the cow. Don't shoot again. Don't shoot, please. Oh my God. How can God. Look at the rest of them there. Look at them there. See them there. Look at the rest of them there. Come. Let's go back. See them there. Come.
Leave that one. That one don't get.
Don't shoot, please.
That one don't get wrong.
Don't shoot. See one. See one. I'll pull the trigger. See one. See, don't shoot.
Go show them. Show them today. Hi. Wona reni wayo nepa.
Just imagine.
Wala wona reni wayo. Keka jireni.
No shoot, I beg. No shoot.
Oga, I want to release it.
Don't shoot.
Kajireni.
You see, what is going on here is this morning. These Fulani people, there are 4 in this place, Anambra State. They went and eat the whole. This is a farmland. Come and see.
You don't know what.
Come and see. Our own land, though. Look at this one. See one. Look at this one there. Don't shoot, I beg. Don't shoot, please. These people came and eat. This is a farm, that's a farmland. Look at it. Empty.
If not because of you, I will take this guy out.
Farmland become a this thing. Desert. Look at. Everything. Everyone meet this one. Come. Come. See one. Anambra State. Look at this.
See the way they put back.
Look at this.
This is what they did.
Imagine the land. Look at it. All over the place. Look at it. All over the place. See them there. See one there. They come. I don't see one. See one there.
Yes.
Don't say. He put on white. They come. No shoot, I beg. Okay. Come. Let's go. Hey, go. Go.